Now let's talk about how to use AI to dynamically cut down long videos into multiple pieces of short form content. So this is video. This is what allows for you to either upload a video from your computer or even grab a URL link from a YouTube video online. So let's go ahead and do that together. I'm gonna take this 16-minute tutorial video that talks about lighting, framing, and shooting an interview, and I'm gonna grab that link. I'm gonna go to video and I'm gonna paste in this URL. I'm gonna click Start Import. And for this specific purpose, I wanna do a bunch of Instagram Reels and TikToks. So I'm gonna click the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. And then I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through some of these templates. So I'm gonna click 3 of these. I'm gonna click this version, this one, and let's do something slightly different. Let's do this one. I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna add my Instagram handle and let's hit done. And now what it's gonna do is it's gonna go and use AI and it's going to cut up my 16-minute video into multiple short form pieces of content. And just like that, it cut up this long video into 6 smaller bits. And we have 3 different options of framing that we can actually choose from. So we have our square framing and we have our horizontal framing, but let's take a look at this vertical framing. I'm gonna go ahead and click the video and hit play. Perfect. Now I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit so we can get a similar framing to what we want. And I'm gonna zoom in. So now I'm actually really happy with this lighting and the distance that Kimberly has from the background. It's creating a nice separation. We're at a low aperture, which means we have a very shallow depth of field. We're framing her. Cool, so you can see it went in and it cut a clip together. Of course, this video is longer, but I just want to go through some of the other options here. We can change our template in real time before downloading this content, which is actually pretty cool that we can just swipe through these. If we needed to, we could also go in and further edit our video, like the captions or adding other elements to enhance our video in any way we'd like. So let's say we're happy with the template that we chose, all of our captions are correct, then we can go ahead and click download our video, and then we can upload it to our desired social media platforms.